Hello and welcome to the Wolfnash YouTube show. My name is Fraser and I'll be your guide through history's dark and mysterious alleyways. And yes, my hand is broken. I'm not going to tell you how I broke my hand, just know that it is a boxer's fracture. I don't know why I said it that way. That makes it sound ominous, creepy. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I hope everybody has been enjoying our series on Mothman, but now it's time to get back to reality with something equally as weird, if not more weird, because this actually may have happened, but also may not have happened. It's a whole thing. Today, we are talking about the hanging of the Hartlepool Monkey. Hartlepool? Hartlepool. I'm gonna stick with Hartlepool. If you know anyone from Hartlepool or Hartlepool, you just let them know to come at me in the comments, and then I will never correct the way that I say it. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the hanging of the Hartlepool Monkey. A recent statistical analysis of our articles show that Wolfnash has a preoccupation with simian stories. We've written about monkey men, chimpanzees, and even speculative simians like Sasquatch. Strangely though, we haven't done much in the way of highlighting monkey history. They are somewhat closely related to humans. Their presence sparks joy in children, followed swiftly by fear when they attack, because they always do. There is a town in England that is famous for their interaction with a monkey. Hartlepool and its denizens are known to this day for what happened early in the 19th century. At some point during Napoleon's war against Europe, a French chasse-marée fishing and trading boat was spotted off the coast of northeastern England. The vessel was being pursued by a fierce storm, as if sent by Poseidon himself. Inhabitants of Hartlepool watched as the ship was overcome by the storm and eventually sank. They rejoiced at the French vessel's misfortune. England and France were at war after all. Wreckage washed ashore the next morning. Among the debris and the dead, they found a single survivor. Desperately clinging to what remained of the ship's mast was a terrified monkey dressed in a miniature officer's uniform. Adorable! At least they didn't think so. The good people of Hartlepool allegedly assumed that this was just what a Frenchman looked like. He was clapped in irons and taken to the local jail. According to the legend, the misunderstanding came from their lack of contact with either monkeys or the French. Monkey was put on trial. He was interrogated for hours without giving anything away. What a stalwart soldier. They charged him with espionage. He was summarily hanged from the neck until dead. If you find yourself screaming at the screen about it not being hanged but hung, then I have news for you. An object that hangs on a wall was hung in the past. When a person is executed by hanging, we say that they were hanged. From that day onwards, the people of Hartlepool have been known as monkey hangers. The first mention of the tale comes from a song by Ned Corvin. Now, I'm not going to sing it, I'm just going to read it, because I'm no singer. In former times, mid war and strife, when French invasion threatened life, and all was armed to the knife, the fisherman hung the monkey, oh. The fisherman with courage high seized monkey for a spy. Hang him, says yen, says another, he'll die. They did, and they hung the monkey, oh. They tried every means to make him speak. They tortured the monkey till he found, tiv loud he did squeak. Says yen, that's French, says another, it's Greek, for the fisherman that gat drunky, oh. He's all o'er hair, some chaps did cry. Ian up did summick cute and sly, with a cod's heed, then they closed an eye, afore they hung the monkey, oh. Any truth to the monkey's tale? As it turns out, there are no records of the monkey hanging story. Strangely, the story isn't even unique to Hartlepool. There is an older song with similar lyrics from Bodham in Scotland. In fact, the story has been told of Mevagissey in Cornwall and Greenock in Scotland. People have tried rationalizing the tale of the hanged monkey of Hartlepool. One theory is that it wasn't a monkey at all. Instead, the Hartlepoolians, that's what they're called, found a young French boy among the wreckage. He had worked as a powder monkey on the ship, the role responsible for carrying gunpowder to the cannons that was usually fulfilled by a child. So in this version, the people of Hartlepool hanged a boy for espionage. What there would have been to spy upon in Hartlepool is anyone's guess. The modern Hartlepoolians have embraced the legend. Their football team's mascot is a hanged monkey named Hangus the Monkey. Local folklore is important for developing a cultural identity, whether a monkey was ever executed there or not. At the end of the day, it's a great story, as most of our stories are. And it also brings a lot of, I assume, tourism to Hartlepool. I wouldn't know, I've never been there. Many small towns run the risk of being forgotten by time. So having a nice local legend like this, similar to a lot of the monster tales that we have from the US, sort of boosts the local economy and keeps the village fresh. I don't know how big Hartlepool is and how much of a metropolis it might be. You can let me know in the comments. But what do you think? Did the Hartlepoolians massacre a poor monkey, or did they hang a treasonous child? Let me know. So if you like that story, like, subscribe, ding that notification bell, send it to your grandmother. By now she should have also subscribed, but she can send it to her grandmother, because that's how time works. And until next time, stay smart.